everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Infiniti and we're doing another acrylic pour. So this one's pretty fresh. It's the same day recording. I want to try something new and experimental and cool. Today is also my birthday, so yeah, I'm like, let's do this video now or never. So yeah, I want to try something different. So usually, I'll do like a base coat of paint or something and then pour, like do like either the cookie cutters or the strainers or whatever. I want to try spraying my canvas down with this blaster silicone and then pouring on top of that. I don't know, it's a random idea, okay? Spontaneous. So I'm just gonna do that. Now, some of my paint today has silicone pouring oil in it, and that's okay. Not a whole lot, and it's not every color. So my base coat today is going to be, well, actually, I hadn't decided how I wanted to do this. So I'm just going to start pouring, but I have more black than anything today. And I mixed it with the iridescent glitter medium. I will be orienting this canvas horizontally too, so there's also that. I think I want to put pink on this side. I tried to come up with happy colors. I almost thought about doing a monochromatic one, but I'm like, those aren't party colors, but maybe they are. My outfit today is going to be like black on black, and that's just me as a person at this point. But yeah, I'm super excited today. Well, maybe not. I don't want to say super excited. I'm really happy today. This is my first birthday. I'm just like chilling and hanging out with friends. Usually I spend it with my family. But I don't know. Doing something slightly different this year. It's nothing good or bad. It's just cool. It's different. So I look forward to having a blast today. And I know usually when I go out where we're going, we stay out all day, my friends and I. So it's like, let's be safer than sorry. And I almost canceled Artsy Saturday, but I know I did that either last Saturday or the other Saturday, and I would have felt bad eventually about it. Like, I could have did so much. I was up so early and I did nothing. I think it's that workaholic in me that just can't give it a rest. You know? Do you guys ever deal with that? Pretty sure most people probably do. I'm probably not that weird. Anywho, I'm already liking this. It's like this like neon. It reminds me of this yarn that I just used to love so much. It was a Red Heart yarn, and my favorite tam that I ever like made was made with this. It's like a neon bright mix. I forgot what it was called. Ugh, I feel so bad now. But this is what this reminds me of, and yeah. So I'm going to use my palette knife. This is one of my much loved, much used palette knives. You guys are like, why don't you clean your palette knives, Infiniti? Don't judge me. I clean them. They just, don't judge me. So I'm just going to go and start swiping with the palette knife and kind of spreading out the pigment that I already have on the canvas, because what I don't want is for this to take like 20 years to dry. You know, I want it to dry today. Look at these cells. That's, oh. Okay, so what we learned that putting that silicone base underneath the paint, it not only makes the cells more pronounced. We're going to say pronounced. Not only makes the cells more pronounced, but it also causes the paint to resist in places. Like, sure, if you apply enough paint and willpower, it's going to cover the canvas. I'm also not tilting it because I want a very controlled kind of swiping, swooshy effect in this pour. So no back canvas today. You guys can like celebrate now. Ah, look at all these cells. I'm going to dismount. I realize my lighting is bright. I realize it so much. Oh my gosh. I haven't even poured my gold, but does it need it? And I'm loving this stringy thing that the paint is. Oh my gosh, this is the best pour ever. Like this one and the primary pour that I did either last week or the other week. Those two are like so high up on my list right now. And I know I was like, I'm going to donate some of my pours to my school's like art auction thingy. And I don't know if I want to give this one away. This one might actually get a coat of resin on it because, I mean, why not? It's extra, just like me. And I don't know if you guys noticed or not, I don't usually do like the really super decorative, cutesy, I guess, pours. It's something about like, I like the technique, I like the aesthetic, but like sometimes they can become too much, you know? They're like statement pieces, you know? Try to make, try to make a statement, I guess, every day. I don't know. So I like to use a lot of muted colors and kind of neutralize them with the use of other colors around them. I like this. I like this. Alright, I got this in portrait mode now, so maybe, hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm seeing here. Look at these cells. Look at them. Look at them. Like I said, very color pop, very... It gives me a whole 90s aesthetic that I live for. Look at those cells. And, you know, you just kind of know that whenever this dries, it's just going to be so dynamic. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a cosmic cloud of, I don't know, just energy. Yeah. I think this piece is pretty done. You know, I like to make a lot of juxtapositions in my art too, so like I kind of like the pure streaks of pigment in this one. Like it does something. It's like you have all these busy cells and swipes and stuff, and then boom, you have pure, I don't know, it's nice. It makes me happy. And I could be biased since it's my birthday pour, but oh yes. So now I'm just gonna use my handy dandy palette knife here and just do my sides, because there's nothing worse to me with a painting, and that's any painting. Like, your sides are incomplete if you got all that canvas showing. It kind of takes away from the rest of the piece. And like, you can fix it with framing. I cannot do words. English is hard. What am I trying to say? Unfinished canvas sides, they're just unattractive. They're so bad. And I know I'm gonna have something along, actually this top edge is pretty covered except for that little piece. Alright, I think I'm happy. So I hope you guys like this pour. I'm trying to decide on whether or not I'm going to upload it, and I know I sound really indecisive right now, but this is so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this video, and if so, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other social media. This bad boy is going up on the gram really soon. I also want to make mention that while I'm talking, that little bit of blue that I poured over in that gold pool is starting to separate and create some cells. So I suppose the silicone from underneath is starting to rise up, which is exactly what I need, because like even down here along the bottom edge where I poured the pure blue pigment, that's starting to cell up too. It's just, I'm getting all kinds of veins, and it's a work of art, guys. I also want to make mention, the sale for my merch shop is still going on now through the 30th. The link to that shop is in my description box. Go ahead and check out the rest of my social media, and I will see you guys on another day that is not my birthday. Bye.